Hello, everyone. This is JJ from the 404s here with my favorite memories of Anime North. When asked to do this video, I had a lot of fond memories just pop in my head of being at Anime North, both prior to being a 404 and as a 404. So it just ranged from right from the very beginning of Anime North when we were at the Michener Institute, and I cosplayed as Alan from Sailor Moon and played his flute song on my flute for everyone in the auditorium, to when I got caught on camera in one of the newer locations by YTV for an Anime North special, and I was cosplaying Princess Vi from Samurai Pizza Cats and yelling, "Off to Prisoner Island!" To hitting on a male voice actor, not gonna mention who, pretended to be a girl and started hitting on him with a fan in front of my face, and the guy kind of reciprocated until I took off the fan, to scaring a former Power Rangers actor and current voice actor too, while I was in drag during a charity auction. So, but I wanted to specifically talk about one good memory, which is actually for three reasons. It happened in 2011 when I was last at Anime North. For one reason, it was because at the time I was getting back into Power Rangers and Super Sentai, and I got to meet that year Barbara Goodson, who was the voice actress for Rita Repulsa, and Robert Axelrod, who voiced Lord Zed from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. And this was like a true fandom moment for me, and I had this picture with them where the two of them were posed, looking like they're ready to punch each other, with a black Power Ranger wrestler behind us, and me in front doing the hee. So that was one of my treasured fandom photo moments I've ever had. Another reason, now in a more 4-4 related stance, was at the Last Pants Standing during the 404's late night show. I've been known in the past to do kind of like a double takeoff. So like I've had years where have interesting underwear. Like one year I had leather booty shorts, and then another year I had leather booty shorts but then stripped off and had rainbow underwear underneath. So this particular year, I decided to color coordinate with my 404's bowling shirt, which was pink, and matched it with some pink frilly underwear that I got at the Stag Shop. So, took off pants and paraded around in this sort of pink frilly underwear tutu-like type thing. Then in one game, it was called Bartender. Little Mike was playing the bartender. I came in with my problem. He sang his solution. I sang back. And then once I was done, I stripped off my pink frilly underwear, and I had these metallic pink briefs with black netting, and then I marched off. Thankfully, no one saw anything else. But what I did remember seeing just after that game was Big Mike looking with this in complete horror. It was just plastered on his face, and I think he said something about, "I need to get that memory out of my head." It was just freaking hilarious to do that. Sorry, Big Mike. But to incidentally, there did come some good from that pink frilly underwear, because both casts of the 404s, the West Side and the East Side, signed the underwear, and we put it up for auction at the annual Anime North charity auction, which they have, raising funds for, I believe it's the Hospital for Sick Children. And avid family fans, because I believe it was like a father and daughter who actually got the frilly underwear, Got it. And I'm so glad we actually were able to contribute to the good fundraising work that Anime North does. Unfortunately, again, I will not be at Anime North this year. I will be in Chicago that same weekend. Sorry, guys. So I hope all of you go and see the 4-4s in all their shows. I know you will. I know you will. I've seen the fandom that has grown over the years, the lineups that happen around when we have our shows, to get into any of the venues that the venues that we are at when we're at Anime North. So I'm sure you will enjoy the tenacity and the hilariousness and the comedy and the improv and the underwear that they're going to come out with and their strip acts, and I will be there with them and with all of you in spirit. And hopefully next year I will be able to rejoin the crew and get to be there in body and spirit for next year's Anime North. So for now, all I can say is have a wonderful time at Anime North. Enjoy the 4-4s. Give them hugs for me if you can. And it's time to spin away. See ya.